How to turn off friend request on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn off friend request on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To turn off friend request on Facebook, open up the Facebook app and you will see this type of interface. Now you can't completely turn off friend requests, but you can limit them to a couple of people. Tap on the three lines option from the top right, tap on the gear icon from the top right, then go to privacy checkup. Then here you can see how people can find you on Facebook. Select that. So here you can see how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on continue. So who can send you friend request? Currently it's set to everyone. Everyone will be able to send me friend request. But I can simply limit this to friends of friends. So my friends of friends, people who are friends with my friends, will actually be able to send me friend request. So this is the one thing that we can do. And just hit the next option to actually save it. Now aside from this, one more thing we can try to do is, instead of actually doing anything, we can lock our profile. Locking our profile will actually hide the send friend request option. So whenever we lock the profile, whenever other people views our profile, they won't be able to find the add friend request button until they tap the three dots option. But these are some of the ways to limit it, but there's not a complete way to disable friend requests. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.